Welcome back, all my free thinkers, to another evening edition of the Grow Rich, Grow Happy Crypto Show. I got a good one for you. In this episode, we're going to be explaining why JP Morgan, they're not just experimenting with cryptocurrency no more. They're doing something bigger. They're quietly deciding what the future financial operating system runs on. And independent researcher and crypto journalist J Razo, he believes that JP Morgan is using the XRP ledger. He frames it as a phoenix moment for modern finance. Guys, you want to stay tuned for this one. But this is your first time here. My name is Mr. Foresight. And my whole reason for being here is not only to educate you on crypto, but help you get your timing right so that you can get in on some of these radical and just mind-boggling cryptocurrency projects that some people don't even know about. But timing is everything. So if you're not there on time, you're not going to make the money that a lot of retail is going to miss. Sounds like a channel for you? By all means, smash that like button, give me a sub, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Get a lot of views, a lot of returning viewers. Make sure you subscribe. Does wonders for the channel. Look down below. Check out all the freebies I got down there for you, but make sure you get your cold storage wallet. Get a 10% discount on Tangem cold storage wallet. That 10% does go to support the channel, but it does more than that. It helps you safeguard your crypto. Now, what we're going to talk about is a platform that JP Morgan has called GTreasury. Now, what that is, help you understand it really simple. Got big corporations. Now, has nothing to do with the retailers or the clients like that. We're talking to major corporations out there, millions, billions of dollars. They have a lot of accounts, multinational. They have lots of accounts, maybe even 20, 30 at one time, but they're scattered about. What GTreasury does, that platform allows these institutions to log in and see all of their accounts on one dashboard. Makes it simple. That's why I tell you to do the same thing with getting a cold storage wallet. It puts all of your crypto in one place so it's not scattered about. You don't have to go around looking for different codes or passwords that you've forgot that you had. All of your crypto is right there. Same thing. This is like what the GTreasury platform does for institutions. So we're not talking about price here when it comes to XRP ledger or XRP. This has nothing to do with this. What it has to do with is the plumbing, the rails that are going to carry this money, but it's also going to carry the price of things like XRP up the charts. But you want to get your timing. You want to get there first. This is why you're going to pay attention to this. And this is why you're going to understand why consistency matters more than anything, because crypto can be boring at times. I understand that. But if you understand what you hold, you will continue to invest in it, even if you're not hearing anything about your project, because you know behind the scenes, that's where the true value is taking place. So what we're going to do, we're going to jump over here. Okay, guys, here's the article here. I will pin it down below as I always do. Make sure you give J Razo a follow. He puts a lot of work in this. And remember, he's in the trenches doing all the grunge work, finding this information so you don't have to. So we're going to come down here because he says something rather interesting here. Under the direction of CEO Jamie Dimon, the firm formalized a new group, Special Advisory Services, designed to selectively share its internal operating playbook with key clients. JP Morgan was effectively saying that the way we manage money may soon matter more than money itself. Here's the thing to take away from that. By them opening up, and giving their key clients a look on the inside, the internal operation of things, it means they're rather confident because they've been testing this for a long time. It's only public now because they've proven that it works. It's future-proof and it's defensible. Things that institutional clients care about. That's why they're opening their doors. This is why you need to be paying attention. But now we're about to talk about why XPR Ledger is even in the conversation. So we're going to come down here. Right here. The XRP Ledger has spent years in an uncomfortable middle ground. It's too institutional for crypto maximalists, and it's too crypto for traditional finance. That position is finally starting to make sense. You'll hear people say it all the time. XRP is a banker's coin. I'm not investing in that. It's going nowhere. Not looking at the plumbing. Pay attention to the plumbing. Check this out. Unlike most public blockchains, the XRP ledger was designed from its inception to move value across constraints. Deterministic settlement, native multi-currency support, predictable fees, a decade-long uptime record. These aren't retail trading features. They're treasury features. Now, and we go right here. And from an engineering perspective, XRP Ledger solves a specific problem legacy rails struggle with: fast, final, rules-based settlement with probabilistic outcome. That doesn't mean JP Morgan is abandoning its internal networks or proprietary systems. It just means that the firm is recognizing that no single rail will dominate the future. Instead, orchestration will matter more than ownership. This is why I don't get into the debates about whose crypto is better. Only thing I care about is this crypto going to be used? That's all that matters, guys. Get out of these combative conversations. I steer clear of all of that because it messes with your mind and it messes with your bank account. You want to be invested in things that matter, things that are going to be used, things that are proven, things that you see the government are paying attention to, things that are already being used. These are the cryptocurrencies that I focus on here, and they're the ones you should focus on as well because it is not speculative. Okay, let's go. From crypto rails to financial plumbing. One phrase from the GTreasury discussion keeps resurfacing: plumbing. We talk about plumbing all the time here. Crypto rails are assets that people trade. Financial plumbing is the infrastructure institutions depend on. As long as institutions, major institutions, depend on these things, people like JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, companies like that and banks like that, as long as they're dependent on it, you can rest assured that these prices are going to inflate, but it's not going to happen overnight. And here's why. Actually, before that, let's go down a little bit because I want to show you guys something else right quick. Here we go. Why asset managers are paying attention to. Banks don't operate in isolation. When infrastructure changes, asset managers, especially conservative ones, notice. If you don't take anything from this, listen to this very carefully. That's why the public acknowledgement by Franklin Templeton of the XRP ledger and XRP as foundational components of digital assets portfolio architecture is significant. I'm going to jump over here right quick because check this out. Here's the article where Franklin Templeton called XRP foundational for settlement. Here it is right here. I'll leave this down below for you guys. Check this out. Franklin Templeton is making its position on XRP unmistakably clear. The 1.7 trillion asset manager said XRP plays a foundational role in global settlement infrastructure. Wow. Franklin Templeton, guys. Stop the debates. Follow the money. I'm going to jump back over here to J Razo because if you come down here, here it is right here. When asset managers and banks begin evaluating the same infrastructure through different lenses, convergence follows slowly, quietly, then suddenly. Now, I'm going to come down here because now, guys, we're going to talk about price. Why this has nothing to do with price yet. Retail markets tend to misread infrastructure transitions because they're boring at first. We talked about that. There are no viral charts, no dramatic announcements, just incremental integrations and normalization. That's how real systems change. Banks test privately. They add optionality. They standardize workflows. Eventually, they institutionalize behavior. By the time the price reacts, the architecture is already set. This is why it's important to stay consistent even if you're not hearing anything. He finished it with this. Shout out to J Razo. The most important shifts in finance rarely announce themselves. They arrive disguised as initiatives, explorations, and adjacent capabilities. Then one day, the old assumptions no longer apply. Guys, you don't want to get caught on this one. There's a lot of debates out there about XRP, where it's going, where people don't think it's going to go. But just stay like a robot. Stay consistent. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss announcements like this. Subscribe or follow J Razo as well, because he's in the trenches. I'm in the trenches. We're doing the work so that you don't have to, guys. But still, do your own homework. Not investing advice. Just showing you things that many other people are missing. Till next one, it's your boy. Subscribe. Share this content. Till next one, I'm out.